Hey, I'm Leroy with Cutting Edge Firewood. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these unmatched pork tenderloin sliders. The ingredients you need are olive oil, your seasoning, of course the pork tenderloin, Hawaiian rolls, and stick around because at the end we're going to take these from great to incredible. Now let's get to our first step, seasoning the pork tenderloin. You can use whatever seasoning you want, although I love Lane's Scorpion Rub for these sliders. Apply a liberal amount evenly. Now let's go start the grill. We are going to need our Excelsior fire starter, box of matches. I'm going to use kindling, cherry chunks. As you saw when we started the fire, I already had some wood in there from previous cooks. Once the fire is going well, we will put the pork tenderloins on the grill. Before we put the pork tenderloin on, we're going to use the Flame Boss 500 to monitor the temperature of the inside of the grill and of the pork tenderloins themselves. I'm also going to put the 4th cherry chunk in the flames for extra flavor. When you put the pork tenderloins on, you're going to want them to have an ending temperature of 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we have the pork tenderloins off, we're going to let them sit for about 15 minutes. And I'm going to show you the secret of how to make the Hawaiian rolls go from great to amazing. We're going to do just a touch of whiskey flavor. I'm going to put a few shots of whiskey in the bowl, and I'm going to put that directly on the coals. But first, I'm going to put the rolls on, and we're going to smoke them with the whiskey and the cherry flavor. While you wait on the rolls, which should take 7-8 minutes, it's a good time to pour yourself a glass. Now that we have everything off, next step is we are going to sear the pork tenderloins. We cook them low and slow. First, I'm going to put a hickory split on and let the fire flare up above the grill grate, and then I will sear the meat for a minute on each side. These smell incredible. Let's cut them up and turn them into sliders. As you can see, I come up in the 1/2-inch chunks, and now I'm going to put them into the rolls. These are awesome. We know that you're going to love them and that you're going to make unmatched pork tenderloin sliders.